I'm going to make a bracelet today without a buckle on it, and I'll be using the 2-strand diamond knot and just a loop on the end. I've got 2 4-foot pieces of paracord, and this is the cord that I just straightened in another video that was from a previous bracelet that I didn't like, so I took it apart and it was all bunched up, but now it's getting straight. And then we're going to tie the diamond knot. Okay, once you have your diamond knot tied, if you have a jig, like with the other bracelets, it's a lot easier to do. If you don't, you can just take 2 finish nails and nail them into a board and get the right length. The way I figured the length on mine was just lay it around your wrist, lay it over your wrist and take one side, loop it around your diamond knot, and then leave enough space. If you get it too big, it's okay. Better too big than too small, because you can tighten it up with your knot at the end. So now just keep your mark, and you can set it on your jig or however you plan on holding it. You know the right distance. And to start this one, your right cord goes under the left cord that's around the peg. Then you just cross the right cord over, and you have it. It looks like that. Now you can take your left free end and just come back over top of the 2 strands and take your right end, go over your free strand, under the 2 strands and through the loop, and tighten that up. You need your loop to be big enough so that your diamond knot can go through it, and once you get a couple completed weaves, you can take it off and check it. The good thing about this knot, I've got it pretty big right now, but you can tighten it up. Now you're ready to see if the bracelet's the right size. If not, we can adjust it with the knot. Yeah, that's going to fit good. I like the way that fits and looks, so I'm going to trim these ends, and I'm going to leave a little bit here. I might just leave that length because you need something to hold on to when you're pulling your knot through to feed through your loop. So there you have cobra weave with a diamond knot. Pretty easy to make. It's easier if you have a jig, or at least some way to hold your ends in place. Thanks for watching.